This video, the second in our new series, builds on the techniques that we demonstrated in the first video. If you haven't seen it, you can catch up on our channel. Using a straight centre line, ellipses and circles, you can begin to construct any object, in this case, a vase. Sketching lightly to start, you can build up construction lines that provide a framework to sketch over, before adding definition and detail. Using the core shapes as a structure helps with symmetry and consistency, allowing you to create clean, accurate sketches. Faces can be notoriously difficult to draw, and when you get them wrong, it stands out as we are all so in tune with the human face. Deconstructing the elements of the face using circles, ellipses, arcs and lines to help with symmetry, you can simplify the drawing. Using a varied line weight, you can add definition and detail to the drawing. To sketch a rear view of a car, begin with an ellipse which aims to capture the full silhouette of the vehicle. After drawing the ellipse, mark in crosses to represent the wheels, one right at the front of the ellipse and the other towards the middle. Next, draw in a waistline which is around 2/3 of the way up the ellipse. Putting this line on a slight angle influences the stance of the vehicle, which also affects its dynamism. Marking in angled lines which communicate the corners of the vehicle start to define its overall form. Adding weight to some lines helps define detail and draws attention to the area of the drawing that is most important. Shading helps communicate the form and changes in surface direction. Adding further detail to the front and sides of the car quickly bring the drawing to life. Details that communicate simple elements of the interior, like the steering wheel, as well as additional exterior detail like the wheels, add depth to the drawing. Using blocks of colour to frame sketches makes them pop off the page and draws attention to the detail. To see more of our videos and learn how to draw other products and vehicles, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in becoming a designer, then apply for our courses via our website.